Shalom, giving all praises unto Yahweh, Basham, Yahushai, Basham Rakakadash, giving double honors unto the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, and Shalom unto the elect. This is your brother Amawan, and I bring in today's news from End Time Headlines, which reads, Developing. January is shaping up to be the coldest in over a decade, and it reads, January is shaping up to be the coldest in a decade as the polar vortex dips south across the eastern half of the United States, shocking a nation that has enjoyed an unusually balmy end of the year. It's going to get cold and then very cold, a Fox weather meteorologist told the Post Monday. Based on the latest long-range data, this January has the potential to be the coldest since 2014, they added. Temperatures are expected to begin dropping from the Rocky Mountains to the East Coast around Thursday, but the real plunge will be set in sometime between 7 and 14 days from now. The plunge will bring wind chills across the Midwest, dipping below zero, exceptionally cold temperatures down to 20 degrees below average in some places. Oh, man. Oh, wow. And freezing conditions setting in as far south as the Gulf Coast and even to Florida. Whoa. Even Florida, though it's still too early to forecast exact temperatures, and there's a pretty good chance the vortex will bring with it significant windstorms, Fox weather cautioned. The prime window for these winter storms will be the middle to the end of next week, they said, adding that the southeast could even see snow or ice, while most polar vortex forecasts are often unpredictable. Fox weather said this round of cold is different. This is a very high confident forecast. Across the board, the weather models are screaming at us that this really cold is on the way, the meteorologist said. The cold is expected to persist throughout January with relief coming once February rolls around. Such plunges occur when the air currents that keep frigid air over the North Pole, the polar vortex weaken, and the freezing Arctic air slips south and pushes the vortex down with it. And clearly, you see Yahushai is making things worse and worse for the USA, aka Babylon the Great, by sending in these plagues of extreme cold, and they are not having it easy there at all. And I support it with these following scriptures from Isaiah 29 verses 6, which reads, Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts, Yahweh Basham, Yahushai of hosts, with thunder and with earthquake and great noise, with storm and tempest and the flame of devouring fire. Exactly, and with the storm and tempest, you can equate this to also the polar vortex and which is happening now, and these two could also refers to during the end times when the Lord of hosts through his son Yahushua would visit the earth and destroy especially Babylon the Great with the missiles and the chariots, and the resulting actions would be the earthquakes and the great noise that will seriously shake the whole earth and set the parts of the earth on fire, especially Babylon the Great. And I move to this next one as well from 2nd Ezra chapter 15 verses 11 to 12. But I will bring them with a mighty hand and a stretched out arm, and smite Egypt with plagues as before, and will destroy all the land thereof. Egypt shall mourn, and the foundation of it shall be smitten with the plague and punishment that the Lord Yahweh Hashem Yahshai shall bring upon it. And so it looks like the USA isn't having it easy. Things are getting worse and worse by the year. And I end this by giving all praises unto Yahweh Basham Yahushai Basham Rakakdash for helping me do this lesson, and shalom unto the elect.